Everybody, we are here back at another video by Half Lost, where I'd be dropping one video every week throughout the entire year. So we'd be talking about real estate finance, the projects that we do and all that. So welcome back to the channel. For those who are watching, we are at another project that we're doing. This is in a community called
Collingwood.
Collingwood. I think it's Charleswood. The street name is Collingwood, so this property is 26 Collingwood Place. It's a bungalow. We're doing a massive project. We're doing an extension, adding a 400 square feet. We got the building permits and everything approved. We just got the demos done, and I'm gonna take you in right now. It's all shit in there, but you'd see what it looks like, what the challenges we face, and overall what we're doing to the property. So going in, guys, this is the property. As you can tell, everything is being ripped off, guys. We ripped off the drywall, the insulation, everything's coming out. This is coming out. This whole space would be open, and then we'd be having a kitchen. We are extending about 10-12 feet from the back over here. Like this wall would be extended like 12 feet. So where you guys are staying would be the entertainment area. We'd have an L-shaped kitchen, some dining there, and a nice big glass so that you can enjoy your green space in the backyard. This was the previous kitchen. As you can tell, everything is dusty, everything's gone. Yeah, and then upstairs right now we had 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. So bedroom number 1, see-through. Bedroom number 2, see-through again. And then we had the 3rd bedroom right here, and this was the 3rd bedroom. So we are going to extend this wall too. This is still going to be the master. Sorry, set my watch. She still works. Yeah, so this is going to be the master. Over here we have the washroom. I'm gonna try to push this. Yo, the construction back in the day is pretty strong. So yeah, this is the old washroom. Pretty solid. Look at this tub. Hear the sound. Yo, can't hear the sound, but so this would be, I think it's going to be the walk-in closet for the master right there, and then we'd be swapping this washroom onto that side. But once everything is done, you wouldn't recognize this place. So we had copper wiring here, so we are replacing all the wiring to brand new wiring. We'd be updating electrical panel, all the insulation. Basically, we just keep the studs. We're keeping the truss, however, because lumber is too expensive, and we are with the tight budgets for this one. I'll give you the numbers towards the end of the video. So, going to the basement. So this was an illegal extension over here for a mudroom for someone coming through the back. You know, they can put their stuff in. I kind of find this very helpful, especially in winter, where it's too cold out and you want to take your stuff out. So going down, we're replacing these stairs. So these stairs would be taken out, and we're putting like brand new stairs because this is pretty narrow. We'd be asking over $1 million for this property. We picked it up for low 600, 620, 630, current somewhere around there. Yeah, we'd be putting in, I don't know, man, $250,000 probably, and so we'd be at what? Let's say the realtor fee, holding cost is all $300,000. So let's say we picked it up for 630. We're in at 730, 830, 930, right? So if I need to make 100,000 profit, I better sell this for $1,030,000. But depending on how the project turns out and how the market is when we are hitting the market, we would potentially get $1,050,000 or maybe $1,200,000. But it's far up there. But let's see. So over here in the basement, we are almost keeping the layout. This would be the bedroom. It was previously the bedroom, so that's going to be the bedroom even then. We're not changing the layout too much. This was the washroom. We're gonna still keep that as a washroom. And this is another bedroom. The funny thing, you guys, when we did the demo, there was no insulation. So back in the day when people, for the basement, it gets pretty cold down here, but there was no insulation here. They just put something like this. It's like a plastic sheet or something, but it doesn't do any good. And then they just put up some, I don't even know what material this is, some kind of cardboard. It's not a drywall. And there's no insulation anywhere in the basement. But we'd have to change this. We have to do everything according to code since we're pulling all the permits. So we have to put insulation, maybe spray foam it. It's pretty easy and fast, but a little more expensive. But overall, we'd be having 2 bedrooms. No, wait a minute. We'd be having 3 bedrooms up actually, and then 2 bedrooms down. So in this community, it's a very established community. We are like 2 minutes away from the school. So that being said, so families with little kids would come here. So we decided to keep 3 bedrooms up instead of doing 2 masters up there. When you say master, it's going to be 2 bedrooms with its own washroom, and then we probably have to add a half bathroom. Other than that, over here, so as I mentioned earlier, we're changing the stairs. We're putting like 2-way stairs where you go in. It's going to be a landing. So this is a 1-way single stair. We'd be having those 2-way stairs, which is pretty good, which is nice. Gives a nice value add. When we have those kind of 2-way stairs, it kind of gives a feeling of the basement is connected to the house. Right now, it's kind of like on a corner, single way, and you have the exit right away. It doesn't feel like it's a one single home. It's kind of like you can rent the basement and then live upstairs. But in this community, we're pushing for a better family to move in, so hence the upgrade. So over here, going to the mechanical room, we have an original furnace. Is going. Old appliances. If you guys want a lot like old appliances, it's still solid, it still works. I've got more than 10 appliances from all of my properties that we are currently doing. So I don't know what to do with this. If someone wants it, hit me up. I'll give this for free. And we have a bunch of storage here. But overall, it's a very extensive project. And we hope to finish this in 3 months. We already delayed because our permits, instead of taking 2 weeks, it took 2 months.
Damn.
So that's something that you always have to be cautious about. In the backyard, nice decent backyard. One of the biggest challenges. So we picked this property up when the market was too hot. It was so hard to find deals. So we had to like push ourselves a little bit to get this deal. So over here, as you can tell, the alleyway is a little bit raised. So we'd have to put a retaining wall all across. We're looking at like a 4 or 5 grand on top of what we initially budgeted, and then we got a permit to build a double car garage here. I was initially thinking of putting a triple car garage, but then I was like, do people need a triple car garage or people need more backyard space? And then Calgary, it's getting more affordable. Not affordable, it's getting more expensive, by the way. But we're getting more summer, and people love to spend more time barbecuing, spend time with their family and kids. Especially we have 3 bedrooms, so kids need some space to play around during summer. So we thought we'll just do a 2-car garage. And then in the street, it's so quiet. It's like a crescent. So basically, it's only the local traffic which is coming by, and there's a lot of street parking. So that's what we decided. Quick snapshot of everything that we're doing. It's a 1,000 square feet bungalow. We're doing an extension of 400 square feet, give or take. We're adding a double car garage. We're doing a flat roof. We're not doing those trusses because it takes forever to get it from the supplier. So instead, we're doing the flat roof. We're not extending the basement. Basement is still going to be original size. Upstairs, overall, once everything is done, I think it's close to 1,500 square feet. So purchase price $630, reno, give or take, including financing, holding, realtor fee. We've been at less than 300,000. So what are we at now? 930, right? So we're expecting worst case we sell for $1 million. Best case we sell for 1.1. 1.2 is a bit of a stretch, but really depends on how the finishes comes out. We still haven't decided what colors for the kitchen cabinets, all that. A lot of things matter, and then also the timing of the market. If you're hitting the winter, we probably would not get the best buyers for it because the kids are going to school, and we are targeting people with at least 1 or 2 kids. But that's it for this video, you guys. We'd be doing more of these, so if you found any value in it, be sure to give me a like, subscribe so that you don't miss out any of these videos, and share it among with your friends. Let everybody get into the world of real estate. And if you are looking to like understand, grow, or if you have questions, drop the comments below. I'll be sure to respond to you either by text, or you can reach me on Instagram, email, all that good stuff. But I'll also be making more videos for you guys if you all want me to do a video on a specific topic or a specific community in Calgary. But other than that, that's all for this video, and peace out.